Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on the 2018 Nissan Kicks, but we're not working on the exterior, we're working on the interior. Let's take a look. So I moved this all the way up to check all the screws for the center console because we're going to be attempting to take out the SRS module. There's no videos on YouTube on how to take it out, but I'm assuming it's somewhere in this area right here or in this middle area. So we're just going to wing it and try to find where it is. We're just going to pop these panels and try to find it. Let's start on the passenger side. Alright, so we just put this over here. I got both battery terminals disconnected. We put a little rock there so the thing doesn't fling back and hit the metal. So now coming over here, I'm just gonna pop this panel and hopefully the SRS is behind this. Let's see, what am I looking at right now? So I see some modules. I have to find the SRS. I'm gonna look at all the screws, unscrew this whole center console, and then I'll get right back to it and show you guys, and hopefully it's right there. Spotted the module. It's way deep down there. It's really dark, but you can't see it. But I saw that there's some screws down there, and I think I have to get those off, and then this whole piece will come off. Alright guys, I got the shift knob off. Sadly, I dropped a little metal piece down here. I've got to find that. I'm definitely gonna get that when I get this whole console thing off, but let's get this piece off now. Okay guys, I finally got it out. Now all I have to do is just unscrew these, which I have the bits for, I think somewhere in here, and that will be out. And I think I have to do a couple over here, and then hopefully I can get this thing out. The SRS is right there, I saw it. Hopefully I can get it out. So I got the whole center console off. There's a screw up here connecting to these, and there's a couple screws connecting to some piece else on this, I forgot where. But there it is, that's the module right there. There's two screws right there. I got them off with my drill machine and my screwdriver. There's one last one right over there. I'm gonna figure out a way to get that one out, and then once that's out, I'm gonna release these three latches, and then the whole module is gonna come out. Guys, it started getting really hot out here, so we brought out a little tent thing to keep the shade very nice now. Connected the wires from the back of the center console, and I brought it out here so I have more working room. All I need to do is get these clips out of the thing. It's not, I don't need too much working room, but it was nice to get out the way. Also, I found a bunch of things. Like, this is a Honda key. It was just sitting in there, and then there's a key to this car just chilling in there. So it's pretty cool, and there's a bunch of like coins and dimes, and like there's a quarter right there. Amazing how many things you can get in your center console. I wonder what kind of stuff is in the other cars. Yes, let's go. Got the SRS module out. I kid you not, this took me like at least an hour to figure out how to get these clips off, but it'll take you guys like 3 seconds to learn. There's a tab right there under. I thought you pushed down on this actual piece. Let me focus it. I thought you pushed down this actual piece right here. There's a tab inside of it, and you push up on it. Like you put your finger in there, in this piece right here, and you push up like that. And then these three pieces slide out. I'm gonna keep these in order. Okay, so luckily, now the SRS module is out. Time to move on to these locked seat belts. First thing to do is take off the trim pieces to get to the seat belts, the seat belt trim. Just put these to the side. Okay. I'm getting there. Ow. This is a tough one down here. Alright guys, so I took off the trim piece back here too. I got it released from back here, so now this thing will just slide forward. So guys, I thought of an idea. This belt is super tight, so it's probably causing a lot of pressure on this bolt, which is why it's being kind of hard to get out. So there's two parts to a seat belt. There's this piece down here, and then there's one under the carpet. So I'm gonna loosen the one under the carpet, get it out, and then this will all be loose, and hopefully it will put less pressure on this bolt over here. So let's give it a shot. Got it. Oh guys, I got it. There's a hidden bolt. Alright guys, I got it out. Just set it right there. I need that. Alright guys, I got the seatbelt out. Right there, it went right there, I got it out. So I'm just gonna put all the pieces that are gonna be sent out over here. We got 2 seatbelts, driver and passenger, and then the SRS module. Once all the airbags, all the parts that we ordered for this car, everything comes back, then we're gonna start piecing this car back together and it's gonna get back on the road. Alright guys, so today was really exhausting. So next video we're going to be hopefully putting in some new parts.